Hello guys, look, the parrots are very wet. Look, they're all cleaned up. Look at Zinko. What's wrong to her feathers? Oh my god, that's like a messed up parrot. Okay, that is it's like a unique parrot, but it's not. Okay. Look at Tinku. Tinku's having no same of Zinku feathers. Look at Tinku. It's the same with Zinku. All are wet because he just showered them. And look, there's Rinku back there. There's the gate. Okay, we should not open that. We are recording from the back. Rinku's alright. Okay, oh. Look, what happened to Zinko? Look at her face. It's just full of very, very wet feathers. Alright, now let's end today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, like and subscribe it, guys. If you enjoyed, then do it, guys. Now bye, guys. Wait, guys, before we do it, look at the eggs. Okay, now bye, guys, for real.